I'm here with our Macintosh apple tree. It is mid-May. The blooms are pretty much done and the tiny little apples are just starting to come along on our Macintosh tree. You can see the faded blooms there. This here is an Ambrosia or Ambrosia apple. We put this in last year. This is just starting to form apples here on the few little blooms that it had. It's of course much smaller than the original Macintosh here, which is probably at least 20 to 30 years old. We've had a lot of problems in the past with the little worms that burrow into the apples. The moths lay the eggs, coddling moths, and then the eggs hatch and they burrow their way out of the apple. So you sometimes will see the worms at the core of the apple, sometimes they're coming out of the apple. It's quite grotesque. This year we have tried to catch some of them by banding the trees with some saran wrap here, and then we have used some tanglefoot. It's a sort of a tar-like, wax-like sticky substance that is meant to catch any moths that are crawling up the tree to lay their eggs in the fall. They can't fly, these moths, when they're in that state, so they crawl up trees. So if you band them, it can help to catch them before they go and lay their eggs. I mean, it remains to be seen if it's worked or not. And sometimes we get tent caterpillars on this tree, so I'm always on the lookout for those to see if anything is eating the tree, if there's holes in the leaves, which I do see some. So I'm going to be looking around and checking. As far as fertilizing goes, I put some bone meal out in the spring. I put out a bit of soil acidifier in the soil because they like a slightly acidic pH to the soil. I put some manure out. And now that the flowering and fruiting is happening, I will not be doing anything because I don't want to encourage too much foliage growth or have any of the fruit falling off. So we're in a wait and see mode here. It's looking good this year though, so hoping for a good harvest this autumn. Stay tuned.